Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 2. So today we are going to start SST class. In previous class we have learned chapter 4. In chapter 4 we see that there are so many clothes. We have learned about clothes. Now we are going to start part 2, chapter 4. In chapter 4 there are so many clothes like people that live in other countries also wear different traditional clothes. मैंने कल बोला था आप लोगों को clothes के बारे में. So today we are going to learn different clothes. People that lives in other countries, जो दूसरे countries में रहते हैं वो लोग अपना अपना ड्रेस ट्रेडिशनल क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं. ठीक है. So a Japanese couple. ये कौन सी कपल है? कल हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था केरला, गुजराती. Now we are going to learn Japanese clothes and Scottish couple. ये कपल अपना अपना ट्रेडिशनल कपड़ा पहनते हैं. ठीक है. So try this. Which traditional costumes do people wear in your region? Find out and write their names here. Men wear, women wear. Which country's costume do people wear in your region? मतलब कौन सा कपड़ा आप लोग पहनते हैं जो आप लोग का ट्रेडिशनल है, ट्रेडिशनल रीजन है जो आप लोग पहनते हैं. कौन सा कस्ट्यूम आप लोग पहनते हैं? कस्ट्यूम का मतलब जो कपड़ा होता है, जो जैसे जापानीज का कस्ट्यूम क्या है, ये है. सो आप लोग का भी कस्ट्यूम होगा. आस्क टू योर पेरेंट्स, यू कैन आस्क टू योर ब्रदर्स सिस्टर्स. ओके. सो प्लीज राइट मेन वेयर. लड़का क्या पहनता है, यहाँ आप उसका नाम लिखिए. लड़की क्या पहनती है, वुमेन वेयर क्या पहनती है लड़की लोग, वो आप लोग को लिखना है. सो नेक्स्ट, we also wear special clothes like birthday dress, swimming costume and night dress. We also wear, in birthday we wear new clothes, birthday dress. When we go swimming pool to swim, we wear swimming costume. And when we go to bed, we wear night dress. Night dress भी हम लोग पहनते हैं जब हम लोग सोने जाते हैं. When we go to bed, when we go to sleep, we wear night dress. Okay. Next, exercise walk. Now we are going to do exercise walk. So please see carefully, look carefully. Take the correct option. When we go out in rain, we wear a. जब हम लोग बारिश में बाहर जाते हैं तो हम लोग कौन सा कपड़ा पहनते हैं? We wear a raincoat. हम लोग रेनकोट पहनते हैं. वूलन स्वेटर हम लोग कब पहनते हैं? We wear woolen clothes in winter season and we wear cotton clothes in summer season. Yesterday I have told you what is cotton, what is woolen. Okay, so clothes made from wool, fur and leather keeps us. जो क्लोथ्स फर से बना है, वूल से बना है, वो लेदर हम लोग को क्या करता है, हम लोग का बॉडी कैसा रखता है? वार्म, कूल एंड वेट. क्या रखता है हम लोग का बॉडी? क्लोथ्स मेड फ्रॉम वूल, फर एंड लेदर कीप्स आवर बॉडी वार्म. हम लोग को वार्म रखता है. ठीक है. वाटरप्रूफ क्लोथ्स आर मेड ऑफ. वाटरप्रूफ किससे बना है? सिल्क, रबर, फर. सो वाटरप्रूफ क्लोथ्स आर मेड ऑफ रबर. वाटरप्रूफ मतलब रेनकोट, अम्ब्रेला, ये सब रबर से बना है. ठीक है. व्हाइल स्विमिंग इन अ पूल अ पर्सन वेयर्स. जब आप स्विमिंग पूल, when we go to swimming pool, what we used to wear? We used to wear swimming costume, night dress, fancy dress and swimwear. क्या हम लोग यूज करते हैं? swimwear. While swimming in a pool, a person wears swimwear. ठीक है. Fill in the blanks. This is your homework. Please do in your copy also. Fill in the blanks. Cotton clothes keeps us. What cotton clothes keeps us? Cotton clothes keeps us cool. ये हम लोग का बॉडी ठंडा रखता है. Clothes such as raincoats are worn in. Clothes such as raincoats are worn in rainy season. The dash is a special dress that helps you to identify the job of a person. Which dress identify the job of a person? जैसे मैंने कल बोला uniform. Uniform identifies that we are a student, we are a teacher. Uniform identifies that uncle was a policeman. For example, एक policeman है, वो पुलिस का कपड़ा में है. Then we can identify that he is a policeman. Or when in front of you there is some nurse, doctor, they have their own uniform. So we can identify that he is a doctor or she is a doctor, she is a nurse. That's why uniform is a special dress that we identify easily. Uniform. Clothes such as rainy season. Rainy season. People in different parts of India wear different types of clothes. Cotton clothes absorb sweat and cool. This is your homework. So please do in your copy. Write true or false. I am wearing a cotton frock. She is wearing a cotton frock. I am wearing a uniform. I gave you cotton. Is it right? Is it true or false? You have to do in your book. So please note this. This is your homework. Next page. I am wearing a salwar kurta. If she is wearing a salwar kurta or not, you have to identify this picture and you have to note down. Okay? This is my raincoat. If he is wearing a raincoat, you have to write true or false. जो ये गलत है तो false लिखिए, correct है तो true लिखिए. Next, I am having an umbrella. ये umbrella अपना हाथ में ले रहा है कि नहीं ले रहा है वो आप लोगों को लिखना है true or false. Look at the pictures of the people in their uniform. Match them with the names. आप लोग को मैच करना है उन लोगों का यूनिफॉर्म देखकर. जैसे मैंने बोला, when we see a policeman, we can identify. When we see, जब वो लोग अपना ड्रेस में होते हैं, यूनिफॉर्म में होते हैं, we can say that easily he is a policeman. Or when we see a doctor, he has their own uniform, so we can identify that he is a doctor. Like this, he is astronaut, policeman. So you have to match the pictures and names. More activities. Question answer. When school will reopen, we will start the question answer also. For today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.